Welcome back. We established that Python does not have strict private keywords. Instead, it offers a mechanism called name mangling to make attributes harder to access externally, thereby supporting encapsulation. This mechanism applies to fields that are intended to be private. 1. Defining private fields. To designate an attribute as private, we prefix its name with double underscores, like self_balance. This is a convention, but it also triggers the name mangling feature. When Python sees this field, it doesn't store it as double_balance. It stores it under a modified name. 2. What is name mangling? Name mangling is the automatic renaming of an attribute by the Python interpreter to prevent accidental overwriting or direct access from outside the class. When you define double_balance inside the class bank account, Python secretly changes its name to something like _bankaccount_. 3. Testing name mangling. We create an object ACC. If we try to access acc.double_balance directly, Python throws an error because that name simply doesn't exist on the object. However, if we know the mangled name, which is _bankaccount_balance, we can still access it. This shows that name mangling is a strong hint for private data, but it is not a true access restriction. It is merely a renaming trick. 4. The proper way to access. The intended and encapsulated way to interact with double_balance is through the method defined in the class get_balance. Since this method is defined inside the bank account class, it can use the original field name, self_balance, and Python's interpreter handles the mangling correctly internally. To summarize, name mangling provides a tool to strongly signal that a field should not be accessed directly. Now that we understand how to hide data, the next logical step is to properly implement encapsulation using the getters and setters that we learned earlier. Our next lecture 17.03, Implementing Encapsulation. See you there.